He's in heat number 5.
Heat number 5.
Do we have a spare piece of paper? Yeah. Looks like we're gridding up. We got thumbs? No thumbs yet. There's a shot of FPV Davey up on the stage, confirming all of our pilots in position. So interesting that we fought the law on the Law 1 on the last one. Let's see what happens here. It's an exciting afternoon of championship drone racing. Your highest seed in this one is going to be Hyunyeon Kim. He was 4th overall, watching line of sight. It's white LEDs. Here we go. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone. Lesson 5.
OK， 我们的卡凯是我们的中国香港的选手，看看他今天表现怎么样。
Kakai, first one through the gate with that hole shot.
他第一个过了第一个门。
We had exciting news from Mooney FPV in that last heat, was 3rd, and then there was that challenge, and obviously he gets up in the winner's bracket in 2nd, and we also want to wish him a very happy birthday to Mooney FPV. Why not? Your leader after 1, Kakai.
卡凯，现在是第1名，不要有压力，保持你的状态，保持你的节奏，后面离你应该还都很远。OK， 卡凯率先完成2圈。 最快单圈是17秒418，好漂亮！他马上完成第3圈。OK， 卡凯率先完成第3圈，时间1分28秒。